Hello everybody, I'm Sadie. With the increasing need for remote collaboration and communication within the digitalized modern workforce, many companies had already set up teams to work remotely. It's crucial for us to provide the right IT solution for both business and their employees. And today, I'm introducing a brand new smart display solution from Lenovo ThinkVision, which makes any remote collaborations at ease. Let's check out the ThinkVision T27hv, a smart VoIP monitor for seamless collaboration. It has a 27-inch QHD IPS panel with built-in 1080p IR camera, dual noise cancelling mic, and front-facing speakers. You can use the camera to log into your PC via Windows Hello by facial recognition without typing your password. You can slide the Think shutter across to physically cover your camera for guaranteed privacy protection. The quickest way to kill a meeting is poor audio. T27hv features smart audio, allowing you to focus on the sound in front of you without distraction. Enjoy an audio conferencing experience with more clarity than ever before. Speaking of the connectivities, it includes the HDMI, DisplayPort, as well as the powerful USB Type-C and Ethernet jack. You can use it for everything: power, display, daisy chain a second monitor from its DP-out connector. Even transfer the Ethernet with just one single USB Type-C cable. So no need to worry about unsightly cable bundles. It also embedded with a headphone holder and side combo jack, so you can connect and place your audio devices in a more convenient way. Today, eye fatigue caused by working for long periods is a common issue. Traditional eye care monitors with low blue light technology usually yellow the display. So instead, T27hv using natural low blue light technology, which is certified eye-safe display standard. It not only protects your eye health, but retains accurate display color for ultimate comfort and maximum precision. We have designed a full range of smart features on our ThinkVision VoIP monitors to simplify your everyday tasks. With auto face tracking, you can enjoy a more comfortable video meeting experience by simply pushing the menu function key for just 3 seconds. Your face will remain center screen throughout the video conference. One of the innovative features of this monitor is Smart Traffic Light. These do not display live above the camera, automatically turns on during audio or video conference when set to auto mode. You can also manually press the source function key for 3 seconds, and it will light up permanently to inform others that you are busy, helping to reduce distraction. Another interesting thing is smart energy functionality. It contains a built-in human detection sensor, automatically reduce energy consumption by dimming your screen when the monitor is not in constant use. Step away, auto dimming, come back, auto light on. ThinkVision T27hv also features Glance by Mirametrix, which is an AI-powered attention sensing software to increase productivity and ensure your privacy. Can detect your absence to auto-lock the display, or alert you when someone else is trying to view the display from behind you, or blur your screen that are not currently in view. It can function intelligently to migrate a window or mouse circle from your main screen to another. Combining superior video and audio with USB-C one cable solution, the smart, intuitive ThinkVision T27hv is the most recommended VoIP monitor. We built to solve all the potential problems you might confront with for remote working and collaborations. For those that require smaller versions, we also offer 21.5 and 23.8 options with selected features. ThinkVision Smart VoIP monitors, smarter collaboration, easier productivity, comfortable work.